Today we're going to be working about creating your Facebook pixel. The first thing I want you to do is go to business.facebook.com. That's business.facebook.com. You're going to come to a page that looks similar to this. Now we're going to go right to the left. On the bottom it says Events Manager. The reason why it's the Events Manager because pixels, they track events, like when someone opens your page, when someone views a certain product, when someone's reading your content. They're tracking about, anywhere between 10 and 20 different events at one time. Even the link that they are actually reading. So if they may scroll and be on your page for maybe 20, 25 seconds, minutes, whatever the case, they're tracking. The reason why is they say, if they're there longer, they are interested in that type of product. They'll look at your SEO keywords and kind of try to fill out what type of customer it is so they can use that data, not only for you, but for other people. So it's very important. So now that we're going to go to Events Manager, we'll go there. Now it should pop up here. You're going to name your pixel. Just name it something that is relevant to your website. So in this case, I'm doing it for the facebook.firewireads.com. Added the name. Now it says add your website. So you want to use HTTPS, of course, www.facebook. This is for me. So firewireads.com. Whatever your website is, put the HTTPS //www. Okay, and check. So it happens here. Click next. Okay. Now, you can get guidance or do it yourself. On this thing, we're going to go ahead and do it yourself. It's not that. Do it yourself. Now, I'd ask, do you want the conversions as well? In this case, yeah, we're going to go ahead and do a conversion is when somebody actually buys. Actually, let me step back. A conversion is actually when someone adds their product to the shopping cart or views another page and then actually checks out or contacts us. These are all different events. This is considered a conversion. Okay, you may need to do authentication. So now that we got confirms, you need that two-step authentication because you're making some big changes and tracking activities to someone's site. So let's continue. You set up with a partner integration, or you can just set up manually. In this case, I'm going to set up manually, do it the hard way, and I think it's a lot easier. I'll show you how to do it. It's asking you for implement conversions API. What kind of events do you want to track? Let's click View Content, Customize Product, Find Location, possibly if you have a location. Let's see what other than contact you, submitting an application. That may be just submitting a form, adding payment information, adding to the wish list, initiating checklist. Okay, sometimes you may need to back out. So just hit that back key so you can get back to the home page of the data sources and just click back the pixel here and click Settings. There's going to be a setup meta pixel here. Install the code manually. And it's going to say install base code. All I want you to do is copy this code right here. And in this case, we're using the Firewire system. So you just find that funnel here pretty easy. Let me refresh this. But you may have a different website. So you would just put it in the header. So the header is going to be above the HTML. So this is how easy. That's why I like using this kind of like drag and drop website editor that we have the Firewire system. You can use any one like Wix or anything, but this one has a bunch of free stuff. So we go here to settings and you see the head tracking code. We just paste it right there because remember I told you it goes in the header there. And while we're here, that's it. I gotta select the domain, paste Firewire ads, and we'll just click save for now since we're focusing on installing the Facebook pixel. So then we would just go here, use the funnel. Now you would have to test it. So we would say there's a Facebook pixel here. Let me see if I can translate. There's a little manage extensions. Okay, so here on the Chrome store, so Chrome web store, or just type in Chrome extensions. You'll find it here. This is a long domain. Then you're going to type in Facebook pixel. So what we're going to do is check to see if the pixel's installed correctly. It's actually here already. So where is it? All right, here's manage extensions, pixel, and we just need to install it. And there it goes right there. So then once we install it, we're just going to pin it to the top somewhere. So it's right there. So you see how it's kind of grayed out right here? Well, it's saying there's no pixel on this Chrome extension. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over back to our website here. What's this? And we're just going to refresh that. Now watch that turn from gray to blue. Okay, so as you can see, the MetaPixel extension is correctly installed. It shows a 1 right here. Do you see it? Now, if you don't see it, you didn't install it correctly. Remember, make sure that on your website or the Firewire system, you have to put it in the header. Now, just click refresh a couple of times. Sometimes it may do that. If you're on a certain website server, sometimes they cache, so you may have to clear the cache on your computer as well if this one does not come up. Now, once it comes up, I want you to click on it and you're going to go. It will take you right to Facebook. Click this little arrow right here, page view. See here, show the call. Now let's see here, troubleshoot the pixel. Let's click troubleshoot the pixel. It should take us to the events manager right in Facebook, letting us know what's happening. So you're gonna see your one pixel here, and you're gonna see overview. Let's go to overview. And it looks like, yeah, it's working just fine. We had a couple of calls, had 2 calls right there. You see it, total events received. And that's what we want. You got a history here. We got settings right here if you want to change anything, but there's really nothing to change at this moment. You can test events if you want to get more, but I don't want to get into that into this video. This video is all about setting up your Facebook pixel in 2024, getting it installed on your website. So I hope it helps. Like and subscribe, hit that notification bell for strictly Facebook advertising or meta advertising, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.